It happened late one night. My family and I were sound asleep, unaware that our house was slowly filling with carbon monoxide. It's an invisible, deadly gas. We had no idea we were in danger, but our dog, Roxie, sensed something wasn't right. She wouldn't stop barking, scratching, even tugging at our blankets. She wouldn't give up. Thanks to her, we woke up just in time. We were only seconds away from passing out. Roxie saved our lives that night. Honestly, not all heroes wear capes. Some just have paws.